What's up guys? So in this video you searched for how to recover your Steam saves, but thing is you can't actually do that, guys. I made this video specifically because I saw people were searching for this topic and a lot of other videos popped up that were just clickbait. Now, one thing that happened to me was I was playing Elden Ring. My local save file got corrupted and it synced with the cloud, and so my cloud save files got corrupted as well. So the problem with this is now all my save files were corrupted, and I tried to recover some of the older ones from the cloud, and it was a no-go because the local one uploaded and it overwrote the Steam cloud ones. So it's a real bummer, guys. I'm sorry I can't help you, but I just thought I'd make this video to let you know.